Okay, I'm gonna be recapping like my trade for today because today was honestly like I fucked up many times, but I still managed to get 3R. Took a total of 4 trades, which is kind of crazy. So going into the day, right? Like yesterday, right? I was talking about how I should focus on the basis of price on the daily and the profile, right? So um prior to the day, I knew that I wanted shorts because we had this super large expansion on like NQ and all the assets, and we leave like if we want a long, right, we want to take out at least this weekly low or like maybe the gaps underneath here to right like you want to ideally you want to take these lows to go higher. So shorts were more favorable because price needs to retrace to a key level to continue higher. And while it doesn't always have to, it could just like consolidate and rip, but trading that is just low probable. So we had a good key level here on YM on Tuesday. You see how like all assets were like kind of reversing, YM being the weakest asset. So I decided that I'm gonna probably trade YM. So looking at the 4 hour too, right? God damn, what the fuck, bro? Holy shit. Okay, looking at the 4 hour too, right? You see how the profile we open high first, and we're in this 4 hour key level on YM. So shorts were like, I was thinking like, oh my god, like shorts is about to be so fucking clean. Like considering how the daily is forming, like the daily candle just opening high, the weekly is opening high, putting a C2 reversal right here. So we have this gap to trade away from. So my first entry was at like I was fading the 6 a.m. candle, which I shouldn't have because NQ was leaving this relevant swing and I was trading against it. Like I was low-key jumping the gun. I shouldn't have done that. So I took really messy. But I didn't know we took out this, so this is actually irrelevant. But I thought that we had like a strength switch like that. Actually we did. It's like this. But it's like a fucking failure swing, fucking strength switch. Well we actually have a strength switch like right here. But like still this is low probability because we're leaving this relevant swing, right? I mean, no, the kilo is not bad, right? Holy shit, this shit is large. So my first entry was actually on NQ where I just took this on like the 3 minute. I just took the gap, and I got stopped out. But I also took YM because I was thinking that like YM is probably like reversing here as well, even though we didn't actually CSD. But I was like, oh, I'm gonna enter, and then price went really fucking high, and like at this point, you probably don't want to enter. But I was thinking like, okay, I would have entered here regardless, so I'm just gonna fucking enter up here and play the fucking hopes and dreams to my fucking target. It did work out for a while, so I went break even really fast, and I got break even. Thank God I did that. So the problem with these two trades is that the 4 hour wasn't supporting expansion, so I'm trading a reversal candle on like every single time frame, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 90 minute, the 30 minute, like every single time frame I'm trading the reversal candle. And I shouldn't be fading the reversal candle if we're leaving a relevant swing on NQ just like this. Like this strength switch like is a way to trade away from a relevant swing, but you probably shouldn't. Like if Garrett doesn't do it, then you shouldn't, because I know Garrett. Oh fuck, Garrett doesn't do shit like that, you know. So this is where I went wrong. I got break even here. I got stop out here. So Let's talk about my second trade and my my third trade and my fourth trade. I wouldn't even count that as a fourth trade because I just add on positions. So I saw that like NQ took this high and we have this 2 stage, but I was low-key like pattern trading the 2 stage here just because you see how like when NQ takes the high, right? Like it just doesn't fucking reverse. It just keeps going like a good boy. Like it keeps going up. 1030 is right here. Like I thought, oh shit, like it's gonna resync here. But I actually no. I wasn't really thinking about NQ because I was thinking more like, okay, if my bias is correct and it looks nice on YM, I'll probably be fine taking YM. So I took I aligned it with the 90-minute as well because I thought 1030 would be a nice place to resync price. So 1030 is right here. I wait for 1030. We have this 2 stage. It looks really, really fucking clean, like the profile, right? So I can delete this shit now. So I took this like CSD pretty much. Like I just entered on the order block and we came like really fucking high. But then like I was on the 5-minute now and I look at this 1040, right? 1040. I was thinking, what the fuck? Okay, I don't even know what I was doing, honestly. Actually, no, I was probably like, okay, I was thinking that about that one Garrett video, like talking about like, oh, most people would just like enter here because they like trade continuation or whatever, but it's not really valid because this swing is open. So I added my position, I moved my stop to this high, and it came really fucking close, like this, bro. Today could have been so wrong because I keep fucking up, but the new thing I'm gonna do for adding positions is that I don't think I'll add positions if assets are still like heavily desync like this, but pretty much yeah. Then I took this and then just held it to like just held it to 1800, some shit like that. And since I added position, so I got like 3R instead. So my stop loss here was like $600. No, I got 4R actually out of this. Yeah, but the main thing about this is like you can't. This is really low probability just because NQ, right? It wasn't even fucking reversing, and I just took YM and I even added like a position. That's not what you want to do, right? NQ took the high, it doesn't reverse. What does it tell you? That this SMT is like fake SMT. It shouldn't even be like something that you really think about because NQ is just failing to manipulate it. So we have NQ going higher the whole entire session while YM is just like dicking down, like fucking like it's just dicking down lower. And you look how it's like super slow as well, just because until like here, I don't know what the fuck this is. So I got really lucky, I'll say. But NQ's expanding higher, YM's going lower. You should super decoupled so the delivery will be like really shit. Like this is not a expansionary delivery. That's pretty much all for today. So my lesson will, this is it. So the main takeaways is like not to add on, like not to enter twice on both assets if you know the setup is not that clean, because remember we're leaving relevant swing right here. We're just like trusting this strength switch at 930. Not ideal, right? And when the assets that like creates the SMT, like taking the high out, you want it to reverse to confirm that, oh, like this SMT is actually real. You want OSS to be in sync, because the one that takeout should reverse, like it makes sense, and the one that didn't take out is like weaker. But I was right about the asset selection for taking this trade, so I'm happy with that. And that I trusted my bias. Like I didn't try to frame longs like yesterday like a dumbass. So I'm not really proud of this win, but I could also see why it made sense. And that'll be pretty much it. I don't think this is one of these like really good trades, but it is what it is.